Hi all, welcome to our channel. So this is regarding for how to we can increase the traffic on your particular website. Is completing for free, not for the paid one. So how it is effective for generating traffic on your particular website. Any website will be generating traffic will be several options are there. In this particular several option, what are the content you're posting will be here. Suppose we I'm selecting in this. First of all, when I'm searching this will be incognito window. One is a search will be here. Second will be image option. When something will be image, then click here, they go to website. Now we have to show this a particular option will be called how we can image marketing and content marketing. So how we can promoting for image and content marketing. When people will be suggested like this, any kind of keywords, it will show on Google purpose what kind of method will be follow to the people's to the generating traffic purpose. So there is a particular option will be here. So there are the number of websites are here. In this, I have to show my website will be Google position purpose. So right now, how it is going on steps. There is a purpose of we have to use name is called Pinterest.com. Is one of the website. Thus you have to log in your particular website. So we can go to this option. So here is the all option. Then is purpose we have to install by the Pinterest toolbar. This is called your browser extension. Which one? There is a called browser extension. If I'm already installed, that is called remove from Chrome. If a new one, add to Chrome option. Just we can go to the Chrome web store. We search from the extension will be there will be Pinterest option. After install, the show will be like this. Okay. Now we can go to the particular each and every services. Here is a Pinterest will be open. In this particular one link, we'll be promoting for different keywords. For example, SEO services K page in Hyderabad. Post it here, create a board, select it, and what are the option will be here? Select from the already that keyword is there. So that is the reason they're showing for here. Now create. The board was created successfully in a particular using keyword option. So that will be here. We can go to your refresh. In this, the keyword was created. SEO services Coca-Cola K page in Hyderabad. Once is done this particular keyword, we have to option will be here. More ideas, everything. Edit board. What are the description you can write and click for done. Same this one. We have to another option will be there. How people will be searching Google. Check it out. Check for image. Our image will be shown to the particular customer. Click for SNagar. So my suggestion will be here. This will be image will be shown like this. Same like that. People searching for company Hyderabad. So they're not showing for my image. What we can suggest? Same we can copy. Here we'll be selecting for Pinterest option. Create a board. Select option and create this one here. Next one. Agency. The agency will show you will be here. Copy. In this Hyderabad is not available. Whatever we can click for. Select by the Pinterest. Selecting the board. Click for create option. Kukkarpalli and KPHP. So we can creating for number of boards. Simple logic. Just install the Pinterest toolbar. In a one link, we can promoting for several keywords. Link is one, but promotion will be using for several keywords. See this one. So that all option belongs to for particular will be using for here. Link is one. Image is one. Keyword will be number of. See this one. Link is one. Keyword one. Image one. But we can promoting for in this particular link with a multiple keywords option. I'm selecting one example. Select here. Copy. Paste it. Here my web series there. I now check it out. Here is the there. I'm checking for company. There is no my website here. This will be in this. And here is the option. But I had to show my website will be proper link. So you can copy here. Pinterest. Create a board. Click the option. Next will be agency exam page. Same option. Close. Select your create a board option. Your only one thing is called install the toolbar and do it the things. Suppose your install is not working properly. For example, simple logic tell you. I give this. Yeah. Suppose your link is not working. Select it. Create a pin. First, image will be adding. Image, who will be design the images? Image design yourself. Image design. Title. Description. Destination link. Click for save. Link will be same, keyword is same, image will be changing. Here will be complete image will be changed. So we have two options. One is called link, image same, keyword change. Link, keyword, link will be same, keyword will be changed, image also will be changed. And link, keyword, and image will be changed. So right now, I'm changing will be only link image same, keyword will be changed. How it is. Select the pin, create a pin, image. Here. Agency. We can use the valid URL. Click for save. So that only pin. Existing pin you have to select it. Create. This will be complete create by the board option. So anything will be here. Existing board you will be create by the number of things. Now it is simple. Select by the Pinterest. Existing also we can add by here. So the existing keyword also we can use on the particular new link. Please note down any particular website you will be promote using for Pinterest option. Link same, keyword change, image change. First option. Link same, image same, keyword will be change. So is the second option. And third one, image change, link same, keyword change. Image change, keyword change, and link same. So these are the pattern will be follow in the particular using for Pinterest. So when people will be searching for any kind of Pinterest, simple logic, here is all options are here. So any particular website will be open that will be see in the Pinterest. open your Pinterest option. Now you can click for your particular website. So they will redirecting for your particular website option. That all will be belongs to for Pinterest. Pinterest also will be showing us search results. They will be generating for your particular website traffic, and it will generating for backlink option. This will be strong backlink will be created by the your Pinterest option. That is mean by email will be promoting and content also will be promoting based on this option. So this is the method you can follow to create the Pinterest account. Will be shared and organically get the leads from the Pinterest account. Only you will be followed by the which people will be search a keyword that will be follow and using Pinterest keyword option and generating for traffic on your particular website. So this process will be supported by the not only website, it will supported by the YouTube channel also will be getting for SEO for generating for backlink on your particular option. So if you have any particular question, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.